Linear variable differential transformer. The LVDT full form is linear variable differential transformer. Generally, LVDT is a normal type of transducer. The main function of this is to convert the rectangular movement of an object to the equivalent electrical signal. LVDT is used to calculate displacement and work on the transformer principle. So, LVDT is a type of electromechanical transducer that helps to convert rectilinear motion of an object into an electrical signal. In simple terms, the LVDT converts rectangular movement of an object into equivalent electrical signal. LVDT construction. LVDT comprises of a cylindrical former which is bounded by one main winding in the hub of a former and two minor LVDT windings are bounded on the surface. The amount of twist in both the minor windings are equivalent, but they are reversed to each other like clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. This figure an iron core slide within the tubes and therefore affect the magnetic coupling between the primary and two secondaries. When the core is in the center, the voltage induced in the two secondaries is equal. When the core is moved in one direction of center, the voltage induced in one winding is increased and that in the other is decreased. Movement in the opposite direction reverses this effect. In this figure, the winding is connected series opposing, that is the polarities of V1 and V2 oppose each other consecutively when the core is in the center, so that V1 equal to V2, there is no voltage output, then V0 equal to 0V. This picture showing LVDTs. Next one, RVDT. RVDT stands for Rotary Variable Differential Transformer. It is a kind of electromechanical transducer used to give the linear output which is proportional to input angular displacement. The main function of RVDT is to detect the angular displacement and convert it into electrical signal. This figure showing the primary winding and secondary winding. The two windings of the transformer wounded where two secondary windings have been equivalent number of windings. They are located on both sides of a primary winding of the transformer. It formed a magnetic core which is made with the soft iron is coupled in the shaft. Thus, this core can be twisted among the windings. The construction of both RVDT and LVDT are similar, but the main difference is the shape of the core in transformer winding. This core will turn between the two windings of the transformer due to the shaft. One of the significant difference between LVDT and RVDT is that LVDT changes the linear motion into the alternating electrical signal, whereas the RVDT translates the angular displacement into an electrical signal. Types of RVDT. First one is when the core is at null position. Second one, when the core rotates in clockwise direction. Third one, when the core rotates in anti-clockwise direction. First one, when the core is at null position. In the first condition, when the shaft is placed at the null position, then the induced EMF in the secondary windings are similar although reverse in phase. Thus, the differential output potential will be 0 and the condition will be E1 equal to E2 where E0 equal to E1 minus E2 equal to 0. The second one is when the core rotates in clockwise direction. In the second condition, when the shaft rotates in the direction of clockwise, more section of the core will enter across the primary winding. Therefore, the induced EMF across the primary winding is higher than secondary winding. Hence, differential output potential is positive and the condition will be E1 greater than E2 where E0 equal to E1 minus E2. So, it is a positive position. Third one is when the core rotates in anti-clockwise direction. The third condition, when the shaft rotates in the direction of anti-clockwise, more section of the core will be entered across the secondary winding. Thus, the induced EMF across the secondary coil is higher than the primary coil. Hence, the difference output potential is negative. That means E1 less than E2 where E0 equal to E1 minus E2. It is a positive position.